Hey, welcome. So I'm actually very happy you made it this far. You've clicked through and it tells me you have shown some commitment to fix like phone addiction, the phone problem, getting distracted by it. Now, maybe you've tried, like you've read Deep Work, you've read, Draining the Shallows, you've tried some vitamin B, you've tried magnesium, vitamin D, whatever. You've tried to exercise a lot, you've tried to meditate, maybe you've tried some creatine or nootropics, but you seem that something weird is going on. Like you just keep getting pulled back to the phone and you can't help it. Now, I liken phone addiction these days, right? It's pretty bad. So back in the day when I was in uni or high school, right? It's kind of like the weed back in like 2010 and stuff like that. It's kind of like weed, right? It's not too bad. But now with social engineering, very smart people at the tech companies, right? And very smart psychologists, they've engineered to be digital crack. And so my job and the whole point of this course is to get you off the crack. We need to get you off that. And don't blame yourself that you're addicted to the phone because, everyone is addicted to the phone to some degree because it is literally digital crack. Now, this is a little bit extreme and I don't want to put you off too much. So what I'm going to do is give you a little bit of value right off the bat, otherwise you might click away. We're going to jump in to the very first lesson of the Phone Smasher course. But before that, I'm going to show you how to get the Phone Smasher course. So I need you to go to my school community. You'll see it in the videos somewhere here. And then sign up for the Coder Trader membership. Now, this is for coders, right? So you're going to get a whole bunch of coding courses, but I think this is a very systemic problem. So I want to fix the phone addiction course. So you're going to get that. It's going to be you, me, and the classmates chatting about how to get this, going through the curriculum, but you also get some coding courses as well along with it. Now, this problem should be fixed in 1 month. So, hey, if you're all done, just unsubscribe and that's it. Happy we can part ways and I would have fixed your phone addiction. Okay, now, let's get back to the actual course. So part 1 of the Phone Smasher course. And I want you to do the homework from part 1, sign up, and then bring it to the rest of the Phone Smasher course when we see each other. Okay, let's jump into the lesson.